Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change your personal account on eBay to a business account. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now a lot of people want to upgrade to business account for the benefits of it. Now for example, also sometimes eBay forces you to upgrade when you start reaching around, when you reach around, I would say, like in my experience, like $20,000, then they will like force you to upgrade so that they can you can just, it's like for tax purposes, if that makes sense. Now like the business account is not like very beneficial if you are not selling a lot of products. Now let me show you what I mean, guys. Okay, for example, a lot of people want to add a new banner to your store, and then it's not allowing them, and they think, okay, I need a business account. That's not true, because you just need to upgrade your own personal account. It's not upgrading, it's just picking a plan, okay, which is like, I would recommend, if you are a beginner, just select the basic plan, because it offers like almost everything you need to start selling. Okay, so you don't really need a business account if you haven't done like 20k, or you want a business for another reason, which is like selling limit. It's like $1 million compared to $48,000 with personal account. This depends, of course, on your country. If you live in, for example, France or United States, it's around like $40,000 selling limit each month, compared to $1 million on business account. Okay, so anyway, just my 2 cents before you upgrade. Okay, so after, guys, you are on your page, your eBay page, just click on summary here. As you can see, it says my eBay in the top right, and then click on summary. And after, guys, you click on summary, you want to click on account, okay, here. And after that, guys, you want to click on personal information. Okay, so after, guys, after you click on personal account information, you just need to add here your own password. And I'm going to do that right now. Okay, guys, after you are on this page where it says personal info, then you will be able to see here your username and the account type. Okay, here in my case, as you can see, the account, I have like multiple business accounts and multiple personal accounts. Now when you have a business account, you will be able to see here business. Okay, so here it's individual, because I didn't upgrade this account. It's like a new account here. It doesn't need I don't need it to be business account. Now in your case here, where it says individual, next to it you will be able to see the edit button here. Okay, if you cannot see it, that means you don't have sales history, you haven't sold enough on your eBay store. Okay, that's exactly what happened to me before. When I wasn't selling on that store, I wanted to upgrade it immediately. It's not allowing me. Okay, now you just need to get some sales. Okay, and you will be able to see here edit button next to individual. Okay, or you can also search here for upgrade. Okay, sorry, grade personal account. Okay, to business eBay, and then you will be able to see here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see here how to change account type to business on eBay, as you can see here. Okay, and then you will be able to just click on this first link here, and you will be able to see the steps, which is exactly the steps I showed you guys. As you can see, click on personal information, and then click edit next to account type. You might have to sign in again, change the account type, select business account option. That's exactly, guys, how you can do this. But like I said, you need some skills to do that. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments right now. Okay, I try to reply to everyone. Okay, so yeah, let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, let me know. And also, if you want to start dropshipping and you want me to do everything for you, like basically I will like grow your account, and then you start getting sales. Okay, yeah, just need to go to my Instagram. I'm going to show it to you right now, and then contact me there, and then I will take care of everything. This is my Instagram username, just as you can see. Search for it and then send me a message, and let's talk. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like, and see you.